Hey guys, Mongo here. Quick update on Bitcoin. So we're at the top of our range. We're literally about to break out, hopefully here on stream. Range bound. I wouldn't be surprised to stay here for a while, but I would expect a short opportunity somewhere between the high, somewhere in this neck of the woods. So this could be a nice. There's no order blocks really, but it's just you're gonna have a lot of sellers, I'm sure, between 68 and 862 ish is kind of where I'm looking. Or we just could pump. But this bull flag right here, which we're breaking out of, we back tested it already, has a playout target of 71,815 basically. Curious to see what that does. We have about roughly 2 hours before New York closes. We could just fade, could move sideways. Curious to know what happens. And usually roughly 4 hours after that, Asia opens, and then usually they have about 2 hours of movement for a direction in the first 2 hours, and then there's nothing until the last 2 hours before the London handoff. So that is what I'm watching on Bitcoin on the hourly. Yeah, money flow is still thick, guys. So this is basically, if you look at it this way, I was looking at earlier, this is basically one massive bull flag. So ugly, technically speaking, but it's still a bull flag. This is horrendously big. So do something like that. So we could get more downside, which would be, in my opinion, more bullish, as long as you stay above my little pink line here. Could get a fake out and come back down and retest and ping pong around in this area and kind of build ourselves back up for an explosion, right? And then kind of woo-boom, and even go higher than that. But I haven't looked at the numbers. This would be somewhere in the neighborhood of, I mean, this whole thing is one bull flag. That's like $84,000. But let's just pull off of this one. Let's pull a, this isn't really true. I mean, it's kind of the same, but we'll say we break out over here. Yeah. So that would be a $73,000 Bitcoin. And let's say this is incorrect. And let's say we do the entire flagpole, which is this entire move here. Technically speaking, this is all a flag. So if that's the case, and we do a breakout, let's say at the very back end down here, just to be on the more conservative side, and you're looking at $84,000 as a target. So a lot of scenarios. I think we're a lot more bullish than the average person thinks. We are front running the halving, so I'm not sure how that's going to play out, but nobody knows. I'm going off time. So time tells us that at the moment until something changes, you have potential Bitcoin top sometime in October 2025. If we front run it, and we go off of, based on the halving, we're 240 days early or something crazy. I forget what Rect Capital is going on about, but basically you cut it in half, so you'd kind of have a Bitcoin top 12 months from today instead of 18 months from today. But I'll keep you guys posted on that based on these Pi cycle top indicators and other stuff within metrics, including like the Coinbase app that shows when the Coinbase app reaches number one on the App Store, Apple App Store, and the Google App Store. That's the all-time. That's been the peak the past 3 times. There's also other metrics to show Google search results peak near 100%. There's a Google trender. I think it shows trends in the searching for the word Bitcoin and crypto. It spikes. So there's about 12 different indicators. A lot of times they all align at the same time. So I will keep you guys posted, but I like what I see. We're very bullish in my opinion. We cleared back above all of the levels that people were worried about, and I still think we're going higher. So nothing I say is financial advice. Best of luck. You want to find me, head over to Crypto Blackwall on Twitter and the Blockguard Discord. Thanks, guys.